Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our Starlink Standard Dish Kit case. It's designed to hold your Starlink Standard Dish as well as accessories. This heavy-duty waterproof case is perfect for transporting your gear or storing it safely at home. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs. A tool such as needle nose pliers may be useful. The case can hold your Starlink Standard router, the power adapter and power cords, an Ethernet cable, as well as other cords and accessories. And on top, the Starlink Standard Dish. Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from Pluck Foam. Unlike Pluck Foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam. And the foam in the lid is a flat pad of the same material that helps to hold everything down securely when the case is closed. Remember, anyone can sell a generic case and make you do all the difficult customization on your own. Only Case Club pre-cuts the interior specifically for the Starlink to give it a professional look and unmatched protection. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.